There's never a quiet day in Maranello. Behind the roar of engines and the glamour of the grid, whispers are growing louder across the Italian media. As Ferrari continues to wrestle with underwhelming performances in 2025, all eyes are now turning not to the drivers but to the pit wall. Despite sitting third in the constructors' standings, frustration is mounting and questions are beginning to surface about leadership at the Scuderia. Fred Vasseur, Ferrari's team principal since early 2023, has been under increasing scrutiny as the iconic team struggles to find its rhythm this season. While Vasseur has remained composed, even calling for more respect from the media toward himself and the team, the clock is ticking. His contract runs only until the end of the year, and as of now, there's no sign of renewal. Enter Ralf Schumacher. The former Formula One driver turned pundit has joined the chorus of voices analysing the Scuderia's situation. Speaking to Sky Germany, Ralf didn't hesitate when asked who he would choose if Vasseur were to step down: Andreas Seidl. "If I had to pick someone today, I'd go with Andreas Seidl," Ralf declared. "But he can't do it alone. He needs the right structure around him." Seidl is no stranger to Formula One or to high-pressure leadership roles. After starting his motorsport career in 2000, he spent nearly a decade in F1 before moving to DTM. In 2019, he returned to Formula One as the team principal of McLaren, where he was widely praised for his strategic mind and management style. Under his guidance, McLaren began to rebuild and re-establish itself as a competitive force. However, Seidl's time at McLaren ended in 2022 when he accepted a new challenge as CEO of Sauber, aligning the Swiss team with its upcoming Audi project. His time there was short-lived. He was replaced by Mattia Binotto in August 2024 and quietly stepped away from the Formula One spotlight. With no current team affiliation, his name has naturally re-entered the rumour mill. While this may all be speculation for now, Ferrari fans and pundits alike are wondering if the team's future success requires a change in direction, not just behind the wheel, but at the helm of the operation. Whether Vasseur can steer the team back into form, or if a fresh face like Seidl is needed, remains to be seen. So what's your take on this? Would Andreas Seidl be the right man to lead the prancing horse back to glory, or does Fred Vasseur deserve more time to prove his long-term vision? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive F1 insights and updates from the paddock.